habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to Ask Louie B. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. If it's your first meeting or if you're bringing colleagues to a follow-up meeting, make sure that you have the proper introductions. Quickly mention your nickname, your role instead of rank or position title unless necessary, and then your company name. I would say, I am Louie Banta. I lead the consulting group of LJMB. Then if you have colleagues with you, introduce other members of your team in the same manner, starting with your manager or the highest ranking employee or leader in your organization, then down to your other colleagues. It's best to take note of client and meeting attendees' names, associate voices with faces and names. So later on in the meeting, you can better respond to who's talking. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.